didn't say, please take me there. She didn't use the thing of pinchaka, getting friends. There's two other guys, or must I say 3 other guys, that what they did is, while Jesus was inside the house, they took off the roof. So their friends were caring about them. To take care. But what if you don't have somebody to take care of you? To break the roof open for you, to lower you down, to get your healing? What if you don't have that? What if people have their own pains that they need to go through? And your responsibility makes it to be, I'm responsible for my own. I'm responsible for my own. You know the guy, this other one, wait. I'll tell you now. This guy. I must just remember now. Maybe I should just tell you. This guy sitting on a pink pigsty, thinking to himself, when he came to his senses, did you see what he came to his senses?